Hello everybody. Today is Monday, November 7th. It's 3:13 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's just about 50 minutes before the regular session closed, so I'm making the video early today. I want to bring over the time and sales. We can see the E-mini S&P trading at 314 at 2120.50. Before I begin, first the required disclaimer. Okay, I want to talk a little bit about the disclaimer as I'm being harassed by uh, some anonymous person that won't reveal their names. In any case, I want to make full disclosure here. I show this disclosure before every video, but I want to point out that past performance is not indicative of future results, and our software does not guarantee profits or prevention of loss. Hypothetical and simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since the trades have not been executed, results may be over or undercompensated. As we've seen in the videos, sometimes you can get negative slippage or positive slippage. And then such factors as lack of liquidity in the markets can't be factored in. Simulated trading programs are subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. Well, our videos are recorded in real-time simulations, so we're not showing back-tested performance reports or a market replay, which would also be really a form of back-testing, and market replays can be manipulated. We do not manipulate our videos. We show what happened that day. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve similar profits depicted in any presentation or performance report. So there is no guarantee that anyone will achieve what we show in the videos. Further, I'd like to say that the BWT software is a tool, and it's the responsibility of the trader using it to make this tool work for them. Our tool automates many of the tasks of trading faster than you can execute. And then we also have our trade manager here, which allows you to manually interact with the auto trader. So if you have trading skill, this can be very useful. By clicking a button, with the click of a button, you can bring your stop in 50%. You can bring your stop in to the high or low of a bar ago. You can bring your stop to break even. You can activate the trail stop. That's what this button is. If it hasn't been activated yet, meaning it hasn't reached the number of ticks to enable the trail stop, you can actually override that. You can scale out of your positions. You can close the positions. You can turn off signals by just clicking the box. You can go long or short only, and so forth. Okay, so first up is the DAX on the Super Renko 6 tick, and this did 14.25 for the day on 2 contracts in real-time simulation, as noted. Next up is the NASDAQ on the Super Renko 10 tick, and this had 4 losers, 2 here, and then 2 here, and then 2 winners. And in spite of the 4 losers and only 2 winners, you can see very clearly that the winners were larger than the losers and still resulted in 890 on the plus side of the ledger for the day on 2 contracts. Okay, next up is the E-mini S&P on the 1-minute line break, and we had a loser in the beginning and then a really excellent long trade about 10 points in the E-mini S&P, or 40 ticks or so. And then another loser here dragged us down a little bit, and we're currently short open P&L of just a few dollars here. So 650 for the day on this chart. Next up is the E-mini S&P on the 2500 tick chart. This is using our line break logic, and this had a single long trade that was pretty good here. So looks like about 10 points, 40 ticks or so. on 2 contracts. 40 ticks on 2 contracts would be $1,000 in profits here. So the P&L on this did 1,037 on this single long trade, looking pretty good here. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about the auto trader, feel free to email us at systems@bluewavetrading.com. My phone number is on the website. You can call me or visit our website for more information. Thanks for watching today.